Physiographic regions of India. A major tectonic plate formed when it split off from the ancient continent Gondwana land, Indo-Australian plate, about 90 million years ago. During the late Cretaceous period, the Indian plate began moving north at about 15 centimeters per year, and finally during Cenozoic era, the plate collided with Asia. This collision along the modern border between India and Nepal formed the orogenic belt that created the Tibetan Plateau and the Himalayas. This is Physiographic region page. The Indian physiographic region is broadly divided into 6 categories: mountain ranges, the Great Plains, Thar Desert, Peninsular Plateau land, coastal plains, and islands.